Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking organisation. I love organisation, but you know, life throws stuff at you. If you have problems with organisation or you just want to get better at it, let's go. Look what I went and brought today. 2021, look how good that looks. Time to look ahead and get a yearly planner for next year. I went for a nice burgundy one. This is just from the pound shop. Page a day, not on weekends though, you only get half a page at the weekends. I think that's a bit of a con. It's like you can't say a page a day when you don't actually have a page every day of the week, it's just work days to do. One of the things that I'm going to be doing with this diary today is putting in like birthdays for next year. But, hold fire. Not just birthdays, because it's no good knowing on the day that it's someone's birthday, because have you got them a present? Have you got them a card? Have you got time to see them that day? You need a reminder in there. So 2 weeks before everyone's birthday that I care about, I mean, why would I put someone I didn't care about's birthday in there? I don't know. But 2 weeks before, I'm going to write a reminder being like, get so-and-so's present, organise a time to see them and drop it off. And then I will have a reminder and get organised for the birthdays ahead. And I'm going to do that for other things, not just birthdays. So say if I was going on holiday, I wish. If I was doing that, I would also be like, holiday, put those dates in, obviously. And then like a month before, be like, have we started thinking about packing? Have we got suntan lotion? I'm really being optimistic here. Have we got euros? It's all about that forward thinking. So number 2, get hold of one of these, a family organiser. Now, don't worry if you haven't got kids and things. I haven't got kids. This one is just for one person. But there are 4 slots on here. So like where you're meant to put like mum, dad, Johnny, Jimmy, you know, the whole family, and put, you know, sports day and such on there. Nah, don't need that. But what you can do, and what I am going to do, is use each column for a different like aspect of your life that you need to keep track of. So for me, one for work, like my job. The second one is going to be for my home life. When have I last done a good deep clean of the drains? Yeah, really boring, but I just did them the other day and I don't know when I last did those drains. I'm going to put a little highlight on here for those sort of things. So that is what I'm going to use the second column for, home life, and I'll put like social events in there as well, but it's also to keep track of those kind of daily, weekly, bi-monthly house sorting things that you need to get done. The third column I'm going to be using for YouTube. Ooh, my hair went flying. So yeah, family organiser. Great idea just for one person. Setting yourself weekly goals. They don't have to be big, they can be as simple as put the car in for its MOT. That was on mine last week. I needed to achieve the car going in for its MOT. Did it pass? No. Has it passed now? Yes. But we got there, guys. It can even be stuff like meet up with so-and-so, because if you're like me, when it comes to the day, you come up with a million reasons why you shouldn't be, you know, going and socialising that day. You're like, well, I can't go socialise because I should be doing this or I should be doing that, or I just don't feel it. But on your goal board, you gotta go. Tick that one off. I would say to set not too many weekly goals. I normally set about 5. That's it. Put my weekly goals on this little whiteboard picture frame that I made in this video. So you can check that out, or you could just get a normal whiteboard. You can bung up a bit of paper on the wall. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. Just put a bit of paper on the wall, write weekly goals, and there you go. Each week, just change it. Change that bit of paper. Easy, no excuses here, guys. Right, let's talk food organisation. This is a really simple one. Now, I'm not very good at organising my meals for the week. I tend to nip to the shop quite a lot going, oh, I really want this for dinner. Oh no, we ain't got any gravy. And then nip to the shop and nip back. But I want to get more organised. I want to do 1 shopping trip a week maximum and make sure I have everything in that I could possibly want to organise my meals for the week. Now, personally, I don't like the idea of being like, on a Monday we have casserole, on a Tuesday we have fajitas, on a Wednesday we have blah, 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 blah. Because I like to be able to eat what I fancy. But that does not mean that I cannot plan my meals for the week. So this is just a £1. I got it from Tesco. Little Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday whiteboard. And it has a little magnet on the back. I put some blue tack on it as well, because I've been like just sticking it on the wall. And I'm going to plan my meals for the week on here. Now, it doesn't mean that on a Monday, if it says casserole, that I'm going to have casserole on that day. But come Sunday, whatever's left, I'm going to have that on the Sunday. But it just means that when I'm doing my shopping, I can be like, have I got everything for this meal? Have I got everything for that meal? And hopefully, A, financially it'll be better, and secondly, it'll save me a bit of time because I'll have food in the house. Woo! That is, for now, all my organisation tips for you all. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!